Hello there, beautiful people of the world. Stephane Garcia here, founder of Mio Retail, which is an online e-commerce store. We sell new and used items, and today I am going to show you how I clean a tie. So I did a haul video the other day, and I have two ties that seem to have a little bit of a blemish. Here goes one. Let's see if you can see it in the light. It has a little yellowing to it. And then I have another one that has a stain that I totally didn't catch in the thrift store, but it's right there. You see it? There we go. So there's two different ways I'm gonna try this. I just watched two different YouTube videos. One is roll up the tie really tight and put it inside of a sock, a toddler sock, and throw it in your washing machine. So I'm gonna try that for one of them. And then the other one, I'm going to try the other way, which is just apply either some baby shampoo or some kind of soap to it, run it under some cold water, get the soap all nice and like foamy, then rinse it off, and then if you need to, do the process again. So I'm going to do those two different methods and we'll see which one turns out the best. The only thing is one of them has more of a bigger stain than the other, so it's going to be kind of unfair. But what I am going to use for sure on both of them is this Grandma's stain remover, because it works really, really well. Anytime I've ever used it, it gets the stain right out. So I'm going to put this on both of them. The only thing is with the one with the sock, I'm going to put it on there, put it inside the sock, then put it in the washer. The other one, I'm actually going to rub it in. So stay tuned and watch for that. And if you're wondering why I was outside in the car, it was because I was looking for my tripod so that I can record myself doing this cleaning. For cleaning it. As you saw, I put the tie into the sock. You have to make sure the tie is nice and wrapped tight so that it doesn't get wrinkled. Then after you wash it, you hang dry it. So I'll show you that next. There was a few areas with little stain spots, and so I had to put a little bit more of the Grandma's remover there. And right now I'm in my bathroom looking for the kids' soap. Because I thought I had some Johnson & Johnson or just some kind of baby soap for the next process, but if not, then we'll just use the stain remover. But the Johnson & Johnson would be nice, but I'm not finding it in here, so I guess we might just have to use the stain remover, and then we'll show you how that works. Found some. Okay, it's the generic, but it'll work. So now we're just going to get this other tie that we have a stain on, and we're going to go ahead and apply the baby soap and the stain remover because this stuff works so good. This is a really hefty stain. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Let's see. Just checking for other stains. after we have washed it, we were very gentle. We used the towel to pat it down and dry it. Now we're just going to let it hang dry. Hopefully these wrinkles don't stay in here. But with it hang drying, it should be able to keep the wrinkles out and dry nice and fine and make it look just like as if we bought it from the store. This is a really nice tie, so I hope it works out good. So the reason why that I YouTubed a video on how to clean the tie is because before I tried to clean the tie and then it was soap and it got all wrinkled and it was just destroyed. I couldn't sell it anymore. So that's why I Googled it and watched a YouTube video, and so I'm trying both methods. And right now it looks like the stain is out, but we'll see once it dries. There it is. The stain was right about here, but I had to wash the whole thing because the water kept leaking and soap got on there. So hopefully it turns out good. Anyways, stay tuned for the other tie and we'll see how that turns out. We also have to hang dry out that one as well. What is up, guys? I'm back. Okay, so the other tie is done from the wash. It's a little wrinkled, but now we're gonna hang dry it. Let's see.
We're doing how-to videos now?
Yep, it looks like the stain came out, so that's good. Put the grandma's stain remover on there, and then put it in the sock and put it in the dryer. Now we'll let it hang dry. Okay, finished product. Ties turned out very good. There's no more stains. The only thing is it's a little wrinkled, but besides that, I'm gonna roll it up and those wrinkles should come right out as it's sitting on the shelf waiting to be sold. No more stains on this one either. Looks really good. So both ways of cleaning a tie work really well. Gets the stains out, and I have to give a lot of credit to that grandma's stain remover because I'm pretty sure that's why why the stain came out easily. But anyways, that's it for now, guys. If you like the content that I just put on, please like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks. Bye.